With iCADMac, you can convert a PDF file in a DWG drawing, which can be opened and modified like any other CAD drawing. For instance, if we have drawings from datasheets or catalogs in the PDF format and we want to use and modify these objects, we can convert these PDF files in DWG in one simple and easy step. The original layer configuration, line weights, line types and colors will be maintained. Converting a PDF file in DWG, we can obtain different results according to the graphic content of the original file. PDF files made in vector graphics programs like Adobe, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD or progeCAD can be converted in a DWG file to use and modify vectors with a CAD application. Try out this functionality and many others downloading a free trial version on iCADMac.com. You can use the software for 30 days with no limitation and no purchase obligation.